So guys, if you are making a bootable pen drive or any kind of bootable USB to install your operating system and you are facing this error which is called the partition scheme error, which is like Windows cannot be installed to this disk, the selected disk has an MBR partition table. If you are facing this issue, it also can be the GPT partition table problem. So guys, if you're facing any kind of this problem, then you can fix it very easily. You can just go to your bootable pen drive making software which is called Rufus. If you open this, select your Windows ISO, then in the partition scheme, you'll see the partition scheme has MBR GPT here. So depends upon what error you are facing. Your disk can be a MBR disk or a GPT disk. So if your disk has an MBR partition table, then you have to select MBR here. And if your disk has GPT partition table, then you have to select GPT here. So after selecting that, you can just start the process of making your bootable USB. And now if you install your Windows, then you'll not face the same error. I hope this helped guys. If you're facing any kind of error, then feel free to comment below. I'll try to fix the problem by replying to your comment.